फिर करताल
Krishna Krishna Hare Hare.
This is a new house, you know?
Yes, sir.
Last time I did a program
Fairport Pines, yes.
another place, no?
Yes, yes.
Krishna
Kata, take behind the radio for mommy.
और शांति दीदी कहाँ गई?
Yes, she has an exam, but she's here.
Oh, okay, okay. Nice.
Shanti Didi. You try asking the wall directly.
Vedanga.
Try it directly in the wall over there.
Okay, you can play mridanga, Ribos? No? Who play? Prabhuji, you can play. Okay. Shri Guru Charana Padma Kevala Bhakti Sadma
Shri Guru Charana Padma Kevala Bhakti Sadma
भवतोरिया जाय
जहार प्रसादे भाई भवतोरिया जाय
कृष्ण प्राप्ति होय जावा होइते
कृष्ण प्राप्ति होय जावा होइते
पद्म वाक चित्ते ते कोरिया ओइक गुरु पद्म वाक चित्ते ते कोरिया ओइक गुरु मुख पद्म वाक चित्ते ते कोरिया ओइक
गुरु Shri Guru Charane Rati Se Uttama Gati
प्रसादे पूरे सर्व आशा
हे प्रसादे पूरे सर्व आशा
खुदा न दिला जे जन्म जन्म प्रभु से
चक्षुदाना दिला जे जन्मे जन्मे प्रभु से
दिव्य ज्ञान हृदय प्रकाशित
दिव्य ज्ञान हृदय प्रकाशित
विनाश जाते
प्रेम भक्ति जाते अविद्या विनाश जाते
वेद गाय जार चोरीता
वेद गाय जार चरिता
श्री गुरु करुणा सिंधु अधम जनार बंधु
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 लोकनाथ लोकेर जीवन
Jai.
Okay, one more Thakur. Who will sing?
Ohe Vaishnava Thakura Dayar Sagar Edasi Karuna Koi.
Oye Vaishnava Thakura Dayara Sadara Edase Karuna Kori.
Ohe Vaishnava Thakura Dayar Sagar Edasi Karuna Koi.
Oye Vaishnava Thakura Dayara Sadara Edase Karuna Kori.
Yapadachaya Shudaya Mare.
Diyapadachaya Shodaya Mare.
Yapadachaya Shudaya Mare.
Diyapadachaya Shodaya Mare.
Maracharana Dori.
Tomara Charana Dori.
Jai Vigatami Chedusha Shodi Jaya Guna Deha Dasi.
Jaya Veda Domi Jaya Dosha Shodhi Jaya Guna Deodase.
Jaya Satsanga Dehahi Amare.
Jaya Sata Sangha Deoe Amare.
Jaya Satsanga Dehahi Amare.
Jaya Sata Sangha Deoe Amare.
Sri Sangira Ase.
Osechi Sangera Ase.
Ohe Vaishnava Thakura Dayara Sagar Edasi Karuna Koi.
Oe Vaishnava Thakura Dayara Sagara Vedase Karuna Kori.
Ekakiya Mara Nahi Paya Bolo Harinama Sankirtane.
Ekakiya Mara Nai Paya Bolo Harinama Sankirtane.
Tumi Kripa Kori Shara Bindu Diya.
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 Jaya Krishna Namadane.
Jaya Krishna Namadane.
Krishna se tumhara Krishna dite para tumhara sakatiya se.
Krishna se tomara Krishna dite paro tomara shakati ache.
Ami to Kangala Krishna Krishna bole.
Ami to Kangala Krishna Krishna bole.
Ami to Kangala Krishna Krishna. who wants to sing? O Krishna Deva Bhavantam Vande,
Krishna Deva Bhavantam Vande,
O Krishna Deva Bhavantam Vande,
O Krishna Deva Bhavantam Vande,
O Manasa Madhukara Arpaya Nij Pad Pankajam Karande,
Manasa Madhukara Arpaya Nija Pada Pankajam Karande,
Krishna Deva Bhavantam Vande,
O Krishna Deva Bhavantam Vande,
Krishna Deva Bhavantam Vande,
O Krishna Deva Bhavantam Vande,
Yadyapi samadhishu vidurati pachati natvavana prajamarite.
Yadyapi samadhishu vidirapi pashati Natravana saramariche.
Jani chami nishamyatra bhatuta tarapi kripa pravite. Jani chami nishamyatra bhatuta tarapi kripa pravite. O Krishna Deva Bhavantam Vande, Krishna Deva Bhavantam Vande, Krishna Deva Bhavantam Vande, Deva Bhavantam Vande. O Bhakti Rudhan Chati Yadyapi Madhava Natvari Mama Chilamati.
Bhakti Rudhan Chati Yadyapi Madhava Natvari Mama Tilamati.
Parameshwar Ratha Tarapita Vadika Durgat Gat Navidhatri.
Parameshwara Taravita Vadika Sugata Gatana Vidhati.
Krishna Deva Bhavantam Vande,
O Krishna Deva Bhavantam Vande,
Krishna Deva Bhavantam Vande.
O Krishna Deva Bhavantam Vande.
Ayam avilolata yadya sanatana kalita bhutar sabhara.
Vilolatayadya Sanatana Karita Bhutara Sabhara.
Nivasatu nityamritamrita nindini vijanmadhuri ramasara.
Nivashatu nityami amrita nindini Vrindava Madhuri Masara.
Krishna Deva Bhavantam
O Krishna Deva Bhavantam Vande,
Krishna Deva Bhavantam
O Krishna Deva Bhavantam Vande.
Krishna जय जय माधव जाईते गोकुलतारुणी मंडल विशिष्य Krishna Hare Krishna 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 Hare 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 Rama Hare Rama 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 Hare Hare
Hare Krishna 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 Hare 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 Rama 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 Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Rama 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 Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Rama 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 Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Rama 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 Hare Hare Jaya Radhe Jaya Krishna Jaya Vrindavan Shri Govinda Gopinath Madana Mohan Shama Kunda Radha Kunda Giri Govardhan Karindi Jamuna Jaya Jaya Mahavan Keshigata Vamshivata Sada Shakana Rahasa Garira Koro Shri Nandanandan Shri Nanda Yashoda Jaya Jaya Gopalan Shri Ramadi Jaya Jaya Dhenu Vatsagan Jaya Vishwabhasu Jaya Kirtida Sundari Jaya Jaya Purnamasi Abhiranagari Jaya Jaya Gopishwara Vrindavanana Jaya Jaya Krishna Sakha Batul Vichara Jaya Rama Gatha Jaya Rohini Nandan Jaya Jaya Vrindavana Vasi Jatadan Jaya Vijapati Jaya Nagakanyagan Bhakti Teja Hara Pairo Govinda Charan Shira Samandala Jaya Jaya Radha Shyam Jaya Jaya Rasa Lila Sarva Manoram Jaya Jaya Jala Rasa Sarva Rasa Sar
गुरुवर्ग की जय, नाम संकीर्तन की जय, पतित पावन नित्यानंद प्रभु की जय, अविद गौर भक्त वृंद की जय, गौर प्रेमानंदे ओम ज्ञानतिमिरान्धस्य ज्ञानाञ्जनशलाकया चक्षुर्मिलितं येन तस्मै श्रीगुरवे नमः। गुरवे गौरचन्द्राय राधिकायै तदालये कृष्णाय कृष्णभक्ताय तद्भक्ताय नमो महावदन्नाय कृष्णप्रेम प्रदायते कृष्णाय कृष्ण हे कृष्ण करुणा सिंधु दीनबन्धु जगत्पते गोपेश गोपिकाकान्त राधाकान्त तप्त कांचन गौरांगी राधे वृंदावनेश्वरी वृषभानुसुते देवी प्रणमामि हरिप्रिये। ओम वृंदावने तुलसी देवी प्रियाय केशवस्य च कृष्ण भक्ति प्रदे देवी सत्यवत्यै नमो नमः। भक्ताभिहीनामरालक्ष्यै क्षिप्ताश्च कामादितरङ्गमध्यै कृपामयितां शरणं प्रपन्नं वृन्दे नमस्ते शरणारविन्दम्। श्रीकृष्ण चैतन्य प्रभु नित्यानन्द श्री अद्वैत गदाधर श्रीवासदि श्री गौरभक्तवृन्द। हरे कृष्ण 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 हरे 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 राम 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 हरे हरे। So first of all, I offer my humble, respectful obeisance obeisances unto lotus feet of my Guru Pad Padma, Nitya Lila Pravishtam Vishnupad, Ashtutra Satasya Srimad Bhakti Vedanta Siddhavaman Goswami Maharaj, and Nitya Lila Pravishtam Vishnupad, Ashtutra Satasya Srimad Bhakti Vedanta Srilanaran Goswami Maharaj. Simultaneously, I offer my humble, respectful Dandavat Pranam, lotus feet of Nitya-lila Pravishtam Vishnupad, Ashtutra Satasya Srimad Bhakti Vedanta Swami Maharaj, Srila Guruvanda Goswami Maharaj, and all senior devotees and all the missionaries, and present all of my respectful guests. So just I want to speak few words. In morning class I also explained, this human body is very, very rare. This is true or not? Prabhunath Prabhu. You know, this is true. Durlabho manuso dehe dehinam khanavangura tatrapi durlabham manne vaikuncha priya darshan. Srimad Bhagavatam. Sukdev Goswami Pad told Parikshit Maharaj, Durlabho manuso dehe. This human body is very, very rare. Dehinam khanavangura, and this human body, but this body is also very temporary. You know, today we have, maybe tomorrow we will not. Maybe tomorrow will be here, after day after tomorrow will be not here. Maybe after 100 years we will not this body. This is true. Man is mortal. Will not become immortal. Asuras, many demons, they also begin to become immortal. You know, Ravan, Tretaju, he also asked to Brahma the benediction of immortality, but not possible. Satyuga, Hiranyaksha, Hiranyakasipu, they also asked to Lord Brahmaji, they want to become immortal, but not possible. Hiranyakasipu, he asked to Brahmaji, you give me benediction of immortality, Amar Bhav. But Brahmaji told it is impossible. But other way, he tried to get immortality. He told, okay, I will not die in daytime or night time. I will not die in the sky or not in the earth and not in the water. He asked, no one can kill to me, which is also created by you. Brahma, he creates all the living entities. For this regard, he told, no one kill to me, created by you. Brahmaji told also, I grant everything. What do you want? And no one also killed me with any kind of weapons. And I will not die daytime, night time, any months or any year. You know this katha. But Brahmaji also gave all this benediction. Okay, I grant. But what happened finally? Finally, he also killed by Lord Nrsimhadev. When Lord Nrsimhadev appeared from the pillar and also fought against him, then finally Lord Nrsimhadev caught him and lay down on his thigh, lap. And still Hiranyakasipu told, you can't kill to me because I got benediction from Brahma. But what benediction? No one came to me. Well, what benediction Brahmaji gave you? Well, I will not die in daytime or night time. Lord Nrsimhadev told, this is not time also, this is not daytime or not night time. This is the time of dusk. Understand? Between day and night.
Twilight.
Twilight. Okay. They said, oh, okay, Brahmaji wanted to give another benediction. You cannot kill with any weapons. Then Lord Nrsimhadev, I am not killing with any weapons. I have no weapons. I will also open your heart with my name. Another, Brahmaji gave me benediction. I will not die in the sky, not in the earth, not in the water. Then Lord Nrsimhadev told, you are on my lap. This is also true. I think this is one kind of also benediction. Who can die on the lap of the Lord? Okay, anyhow, Lord Nrsimhadev told, I am not created by Brahmaji, I am Bhagavan, I am self-manifested. Swayambhu Bhagavan. And I have no mother, no father, no mata, no pita. And I am Bhagavan. And this is also not in months. Because Brahmaji, he told, any day, any month, cannot. Okay. No one killed him. That time ago, this is the month of Purushottam Mas. Purushottam Vrat. The extra months coming. That is Odhik months. Leap year also. This is not also Odhik year. So in this way, Lord Nrsimhadev, he killed Hiranyakashipu. That means, this is true. Why I am saying? Because Durlabho Manusa Dehe Dehinam Khanabhangura. This body is very, very rare and also temporary. One day will be died. This is true. Every day we are looking also this. What is the wonderful thing? What is the wonderful thing? Every day we are looking. Kim Ascharjam. What is the wonderful thing in this material world? Every day we are looking. People are dying. But still I am thinking, I will not die. Every day people are there suffering the three folds of Maya. In morning I should told. Who are not suffering the three folds of Maya? Adhyatmik, Adi-Doivik and Adi-Bhautik. And all the living entities, especially human being, suffering the three folds of Maya. And some kinds of distress are coming from demigod and demigoddess. That is called Adi-Doivik. And Adi-Bhautik, some kinds of distress are coming from others living entities. Snake, cats, dogs biting. And or third, some kinds of distress are coming from our mind. This is very, very dangerous. Mind disturbed. What is the medicine of mind? If your mind disturbed, what medicine you will take?
Mantra.
You cannot get the medicine from the medical shop. Pharmacy cannot get. Actually, this is true. You cannot get any medicine for your mental situation. But Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu brought this medicine from Golo Vrindavan. Try to understand. What did I say? Chaitanya Mahaprabhu brought this medicine from Golo Vrindavan. If you have mental problem, who has mental problem? Everybody. Who has no mental problem, tell to me. Only crazy person will say, I have no mental problem. I have no problem. He is crazy. Everybody mind problem something. But Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu told, I brought high class medicine from Guru Vrindavan. Take this. What is the medicine? Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Jeev jago, Gora Chand bole, Koto nidra jao maya pisachira kole. Tomare loite ami hoinu avatar. আমি বিনা বন্ধু বলো কে আছে তোমার এনেছি ঔষধি মায়া নাসিবার লাগি হরিনাম মহামন্ত্র লও তুমি মাগি বলো বৃন্দাবন বিহারী লাল কি জয় Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu told this. I brought very powerful medicine. You cannot get this medicine in any pharmacy. But you can take this medicine from me. And that medicine export from where? India? America? No. Where? Golok Vrindavan. They export it. Very powerful. This medicine export from Golok Vrindavan. Very simple medicine. And no need to pay anything. Free. Mahaprabhu giving this medicine also free. If you go to the pharmacy, free will not give anything. In this material, no one give free. But some businessmen, they use the very tricky words. Get one, buy one, get one, free one. Sometimes I'm joking. Okay, you give free one first me. Because they are saying buy one, get one, or free one. So I mean free one first give to me. No. You buy, then I will give one and another will give free. Actually they will not give free. If they will give free, if they will give free, how their business is going on? Free nothing. Actually they are taking the money double. By showing I am that means about 4:30. Before 4:30 you wake up and chant holy names. Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. And 100% guarantee. And if you wake up early in the morning, Brahma Murta, and chant holy name, all your problem automatically you are solved. Even your mental problem you thinking. Understand? Very clear. And sit on asan, ekagra asan, sit on asan and also chant. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. If you think it's very difficult to sit on asana, maybe some pain on your knee, okay, no problem, you can walk and chant only, no problem. Mahaprabhu told, Khaite Suite Jatha Tatha Nam Lavi. There are no rules and regulations chanting the holy name. Eating, sleeping, anytime chant. Midday, midnight, anytime. You lay down on your bed, also chant. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. This is very simple. So I say, Durlabha Manusa De, Dehinam Khanabhamra, Tatrapi Durlabha Manne, Vaikuntha Priyadarsam. Just I coming back, my subject, because I told the human body is very rare. Durlabha Manusa De. And Khanabhamra means temporary. And any time, any moment, we will die. Because our life here is like the bubble of the water. You know, bubble of the water. How long staying? Couple seconds, then in the same way, our this life is life. There are no guarantee of today. So saying, Kshana Bhangra, Tatrapi Durlabham Manne Vaikuntha Priya Darshanam. This human body is rare. This is true. And also temporary. But very, very rare. What is that? Vaikuntha Priya Darshana. Vaikuntha Priya means the devotee of Lord. The devotee of Vaikuntha Priya Darshana. Vaikuntha Priya, the very nearest and dearest of Vaikuntha. That means Krishna's devotee, Suddha Bhakta. Guru and Vaishnava Sangha. The association of Guru and Vaishnava. This is very, very rare. Not so easy to get. Because sadhu gurus, they are traveling in this material world and going different places. How to give the mercy to everyone. Mahad vicharam rinang grinang dino chetasan. Nissasa Bhagavan nanate kalpate kachit. Because sadhu guru Vaishnava, why they are traveling around the world? They are giving mercy to us. Just like Bhaktivedanta Swami Maharaj, when he was very old age, about 70 years old, he came in Western